Back to the yard, Dan. It's finally getting a little overcast here. It's been 95 degrees Fahrenheit. I think in about 3 days. Yeah, 3 days, the temps will drop from 95 to the high being in the 70s, like 75, 76. So I'm assuming that our fall is finally here, which is awesome. We're going to start getting into overseed season here in my area in northern Utah. First thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to be mowing high in the front on both sides. I'm going to, of course, use the lawn striper. Definitely using the lawn striper. After we get done with that, I'll be putting down some RGS, and here's some info about that. Mow high, get that stuff down. That'd be pretty much it for today. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be working in the backyard. The seed that I put down there in midsummer, it kind of came in. It's still kind of a disaster back there. So what I'm going to be doing in tomorrow's video is we're going to go back there. I'm going to basically get everything ready for overseed. And then once that weather comes in next week, we'll start doing that. And in the front, I'm only overseeding on one side this season. I'll show you right now. Here in the front, I'm most likely not going to be overseeding on this side of the front. The overseed that I'll be doing, just because of the dry spots this season, will be right here on this side. And then we'll overseed all the way back here, even though it really doesn't need it over here, but we'll do it all the way back. And I'll be doing Kentucky blue, just Kentucky bluegrass for this overseed for this fall season. Looking really, really good up in the front here. So I'll go ahead and I'll mow high, and then we'll get that RGS down and beat the heat, because I've got about 3 more days of this hotness. It's been dry. I haven't been feeling well. So I'm gonna mow this. I mean, look how nice it really is. It looks great this season. I was surprised at how good it came in. Next week too, I'm gonna be using some plant growth regulator. This is Primo Maxx. Let me know in the comments below if you've used it before. I've used this one once. I don't really remember the results from it, like, to be honest with you. So yeah, we'll be testing it out on this side. We'll stop once we get to the backyard. But everywhere else we'll be running nitrogen, whereas we'll be putting this down and doing a little bit different type of thing going on over here. I've got something formulated that I think will work. Yeah, and what we want is we want to be able to cut lower and lower and lower and just train it. That's how I did it last season when I just had mainly perennial rye and didn't have any problems. I did not use this. So we're going to try this out. Let's get the mowing. Let's go. Just got done mowing high. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and spray, and we'll get that root growth stuff put down, the RGS. And I'll put a link for that stuff in the description. I'll be using this NEXT RGS, greencountyfert.com, Green County Fertilizer Company. It's a 001. What we got in here is we got humic acids, fulvic acid, and sea kelp. So this is gonna help me beat the heat and kind of transition into that fall overseed season, all of that stuff. So really good stuff, but you can also just add fulvic acid or humic acid or sea kelp separately. You don't have to buy this product. You can get that stuff by itself. Before we spray, let's take a look real quick. Sun's going down rather fast, faster than usual. Looking good on this side. And then looking nice on this side. Looking great. I did a little bit of a different type of striping thing this time, but now I'm gonna go get that mixed, the RGS, get that sprayed down, get it irrigate in the morning. I'm still doing my same watering schedule every morning at 6 o'clock. I think it's 6 a.m. I think that's what it is. Right when the sun's coming up. Look at your phone or whatever. Find out when the sun comes up, right at that time. That's when I've been watering. And then I do adjust sometimes because earlier I was doing it at 5 a.m. 6 a.m. sprinklers come on and it get irrigated, and yeah, we'll be good. I'm gonna get this spray down and we'll wrap up this video. Let's go. Just got done with that, so I'll let you see real quick. Check it out on this side. Got it sprayed. This spot right here, kind of a funny little stripe thing going on. I got lazy. And then over here, of course, I found a bunch of dog piss spots and dog shit over here, of course, so I blew it out where it belongs, not on my grass. And then right here. So looking good. Those are a little footsteps, of course. And I still have that little dry spot up here just a little bit, but it's almost totally gone. Tomorrow, we'll start getting organized in the back, getting everything. I'll probably scalp it at least, and we'll get going from there, and we'll just see what needs to be done. But it's gonna be a big project in the back. It's not gonna be the easiest of days. And neither was today. It took longer than I thought it was gonna take. And I kept having problems with my, I need to get a clamp for my sprayer for the cord thing that goes to the backpack. It always shoots off, so I cut it, and I have like a temporary clamp, but I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll get to overseeding in the back. And yeah, we're just transitioning over into the fall season here. Really looking forward to it. But see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching the yard, Dad. Peace.